Sir, let me formally welcome you and thank you very much to spare your time today to address young business owner, very seasoned entrepreneurs, family business owners, which I can see in the audience. Many of them are here to listen to you. Many of them have been your students or clients in India and across the world. So, all for all our audiences and guests today, a formal welcome from the Wellinger Institute of Management, one of India's top rated business schools, and especially from the Center of Excellence in Entrepreneurship and Family Managed Business. We are honored today to have the head of Family Managed Business and Entrepreneurship, Dr. Srinivas Gondhwekar, a person who does not need introduction. Many of the businesses in this countries blindly follow his advice on growth, productivity, operation efficiency, design thinking, digital transformation. And let me tell you, not only in India, but across the globe. And I can see many of them today listening to him. Dr. G, today we also have a lot of prospective students who look forward to join the Wellinker's entrepreneurship program, which Wellinker runs for the last 15 years. And this is so for the benefit of our guest, the Wellinkers entrepreneurship program, it's one of its kind experience for young business owners, women entrepreneurs, startup founders, and big format MSMEs, SMEs, family businesses, and corporations also. It's a very unique program about which we are going to speak today. We are going to learn from Dr. G also how is this program creating impact and profitability and growth for the business ecosystem in this country. So with this formal introduction okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Samir Karkhanis and I'm a proud alumnus from the Wellinger Institute of Management, and I'm associated with Dr. G, and I also work very closely with this program to really help entrepreneurs to go to the next level. So there is where we all are here together. I can assure you the next 45 minutes are going to be very interesting. You will learn new things. Have an open mind, ask your questions, and we are here to answer all of them. Dr. G, again, actually, Dr. Ji, I don't want to introduce you formally other than the designation. We want to know your journey. In fact, the part of this program is to know your journey academically and corporate wise, how you yourself from a professional senior executive turned into an entrepreneur. Actually, that is the program all about. Yeah, so welcome, Dr. G. Probably I would like to start to know about you from your journey as an professional to entrepreneur and what actually you do.
Thank you very much. Well, I started my career in IIT Bombay, BTech, and then did post-graduation from NITI and joined a company called Godrej Soaps. In those days in Mumbai, we had a lot of factories. So in Godrej Soaps, there were many factories in Vikhroli, and I started working there. I worked there for 15 years. One simple reason why I did not change my job: good boss,
Wow.
good company. I was doing well, and I got exposed to Japanese professors by accident in some seminar. And I realized, Arre, I am looking this way and I am being appreciated also. सारी दुनिया बोल रही है कि अरे बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, मुझे प्रमोशन मिल रहा है, इंक्रीमेंट मिल रहा है, एंड ये जापानीज प्रोफेसर बोल रहा है इससे अच्छा है इधर देखो. It was like a slap in the face, and I said, अरे बाप रे, maybe true यार, try करेंगे. Then I went to Japan on a scholarship, got trained there, and there I learned one thing, कि how to go into any industry, कुछ मालूम नहीं है. Find out from the process and get the answers. I realized कि I can now become a business person. I don't have to be an employee. And took me 2 years to understand properly. वो सब किया. And then I left Godrej Soaps and started a business. Marathi Manu starting business. Okay. No family background of business. Said कि consultancy और training चालू करेंगे. And my offering in consultancy was simple. Do you have a problem which you cannot solve and it is important? Call me. we will do it in 5 days with you. And I have many clients, gradually it increase from 1995, आज तक गाड़ी चालू है. And some of my clients, can you see this? This is a Barbie doll. So one of my clients is a company called Mattel, who manufactures Barbie dolls. They have huge factories outside India. They call me for the last 15 years. Normally consultant 15 years nahi rehta hai. It's a $5 billion company, B,
Yes.
$5 billion company. और फिर भी वो लोग बुला रहे हैं. And seeing this success, you know, our institute decided that I should head this family managed business program, because clearly आपको business करने को आता है, कुछ तो आता है. This is my journey.
Fantastic. Nice, sir. We are aware about the solid clients and the work which you do. But now coming to this particular program, and before that, actually, let me ask you, with this current VUCA times, you know, post COVID and during this, where there is lot of uncertainty, what are the type of challenges which you are seeing and people are asking you today as entrepreneurs?
See, this COVID has initially, when this COVID lockdown वगैरह started ना, the first thought was कि अरे गया काम से अभी सब बंद पड़ने वाला है, कुछ नहीं होएगा, सोना पड़ेगा जब तक लॉकडाउन नहीं उठता है. But the lockdown continued, and फिर सोचना चालू हो गया कि is this a problem or is it an opportunity? ये सब काला काला दिखता है या दूसरी ओर से देखेंगे तो शायद रंग बदल जाएगा. Might look different. So we started looking at it differently, and some of our clients also started looking differently. This is an opportunity to do something different, something new. Let us search, and मिलते गया. So new opportunities came up जो पहले मालूम ही नहीं था. I started learning digital stuff.
Okay.
At the age of 65, I started learning Instagram, LinkedIn, yes sir, and new opportunities started opening up with all this. So in a way, I thank COVID. I mean, it's a bad thing to say, but
Okay.
the opportunities it has thrown up are different. You need to be open-minded to see them. That is important.
But typically, what challenges are entrepreneurs facing today, or family businesses? You know, what are they coming to you to ask? What are they asking you?
The challenges they're facing is physical activity is getting restricted because
Okay.
of the COVID. So they are looking at how to do the physical activity in spite of these restrictions.
Wow.
Because as the opening up started, 10%, 25% वगैरह जो चल रहा है, so they are finding ways to fit in. In some industries like manufacturing, वो physically जाना पड़ता है. You cannot do e-manufacturing. Okay, you cannot have eat e-food. So वो ठीक है. And many others have changed over to this electronic kind of thing. Yeah,
Okay.
long distance kind of work.
Okay.
Yeah. एक अच्छी चीज हो गई है कि we have learned this long distance communication,
So true.
and now just example देता हूँ कि first we thought अरे professor लोग कैसा आएगा, we don't have physical classes and all. Then we started these classes. ये classes difficult होता है because it gets boring to stare at a computer. Then we realized कि इसका और कुछ फायदा है. We can get professor from Canada. We can get professor from Japan. And so टूट गया, and our professor base started changing. So इस तरह से अलग ढंग से देखेंगे ना, बहुत कुछ होता है.
So, sir, coming to the entrepreneurship program at Wellinkers, who is this program for and what is it all about basically? Who comes to you?
Okay. Wellinkers program is one of its kind. It's quite unique. We have been doing this 15 years nearly, and we have gone through different evolutions. So पहले जो था, it has gone through many changes, and currently what we do is we call it entrepreneurship management. This is the 7th batch. And इसकी speciality क्या है कि it can cater to those who are already in business and those who want to get into business.
Okay.
All right. दोनों possible है. So this program's unique feature is that it is very practical.
Okay.
एक complaint आती है from parents of students who are applying for the job. अरे आप लोग तो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते हो यार, हमारे लोगों के चांद दिखाते हो बच्चे लोगों को, और एक्चुअली उसका बिजनेस है उधर ट्रेडिंग, गले पे बैठ के ट्रेडिंग करना है यार, टी शर्ट्स का ट्रेडिंग है, एंड यू शो हिम कि ऐसा ट्रेडर मतलब यू शुड बिकम वॉलमार्ट वगैरह, ये सब बकवास है. So we don't do that. We give absolutely practical training. And our deal is कि एक week class में आ जाओ. Only 1 week. You learn from the professors.
So 1 week is what? During the program or every month?
Every month.
Okay.
For 11 months. Every
Okay.
month you come for 1 week. Suppose first week you come. Then second week में you are back into your business. And we give a lot of practical stuff. So you start trying it out. Then that is not enough. Third week में हमारा mentoring चलता है.
Okay.
And if you are out of Bombay, mentoring will be on phone. Yeah. If you are in Bombay, you can come and meet also, or we can do on phone also. Yeah.
Okay.
And there we deal. क्या हो गया? Did you try implementing? अरे नहीं वो at one end you get like पापा ना बोलते हैं मत करो. At the other side मैंने जाके किया वो worker मानता नहीं है. So क्या करने का समझता नहीं है. And we give mentoring advice. Fourth week again they try it out. Again implementation. They are back to the class with things that are done.
Wow. So and what kind of subjects do we cover here basically?
The kind of subjects we cover. In fact, एक चीज बोलता हूँ कि we have now written a book. That book has just got published. अभी e-book है सिर्फ Amazon पे. It is titled as "You Don't Have to Be Rich to Solve Problems."
Wow.
And this is a compilation of case studies of our students.
Wow.
छोटे बड़े कुछ 50 केस स्टडीज लगा दिए हैं हमने. केस स्टडीज मतलब एक्चुअली उन्होंने क्या किया है.
Wow.
So
Okay.
yes.
So typically in a 7-day a month and 11 months, what is that they learn? What are the kind of subjects or what they go through?
Okay. Another thing we concentrate is fundamentals.
Okay.
एकदम बेसिक क्वेश्चन पूछने का जो कोई नहीं पूछ रहा है. I learned this from the Japanese. Ask fundamental questions. So our subjects are practical subjects, not like normal MBA.
Okay.
नॉर्मल MBA में ऐसा रहता है, मान लीजिए ये पूरा मैनेजमेंट है, तो उसमें ये ऐसा रहता है कि एक सब्जेक्ट होता है, वो ऑपरेशंस, तो ऑपरेशन सीखो, दूसरा सब्जेक्ट होता है मार्केटिंग सीखो, एंड सो ऑन. तो MBA में ऐसा अलग अलग चीज सिखाते हैं, लेकिन हम लोग सिखाते हैं ना, दैट इज एन इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ द होल थिंग. We also cover special attention we give to innovation, creativity, finding opportunity.
Wow.
नया कुछ मिलेगा. And we have a trick in that. हमारा एक बहुत बड़ा secret है. It is exactly opposite to what other institutes do.
Okay.
The secret is we mix people from different disciplines.
Fantastic.
गलती क्या करते हैं बहुत सारे MBA में भी होता है कि कंस्ट्रक्शन के लोग एक क्लास में बैठेंगे, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के लोग एक क्लास में बैठेंगे, ट्रेडर्स है वो एक क्लास में बैठेंगे, IT और बिजनेस है वो एक क्लास में बैठेंगे. लेकिन वहां क्या होता है सर कि इफ यू सी ना, एक आदमी जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कर रहा है और दूसरा कर रहा है, दे ऑल थिंक इन द सेम वे.
सो ट्रू.
एक ट्रेडर और दूसरा ट्रेडर सेम सोचता है, फिर वो 19-20 का खेल होता है. मैं तुम्हारे से थोड़ा ज्यादा स्मार्ट हूँ, आप मेरे से ज्यादा स्मार्ट है, उतना ही खेल होता है. बट व्हेन यू मिक्स ना, व्हेन यू मिक्स पीपल फ्रॉम डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रीज, यू ब्रिंग देम टुगेदर, क्रॉस फर्टिलाइजेशन ऑफ आइडियाज हैपन.
वेरी नाइस.
एक टेक्निक है, कानबान नाम का टेक्निक है. एग्जांपल बोलता हूँ, टोयोटा में बड़ा फेमस टेक्निक है. इट कट्स योर इन्वेंटरी डाउन एंड स्टॉक आउट. अच्छा काम होता है. It is used heavily in manufacturing. Do you know where it was born? It was born in the supermarket. Mr. Taiichi Ono. This is Mr. Taiichi Ono. He was the great genius in Toyota who did it. He writes his story कि वो जब भी अमेरिका गए फर्स्ट टाइम, ही सॉ इन द सुपरमार्केट, अरे देयर वे ऑफ वर्किंग इज डिफरेंट, जितना जाता है उतना ही आता है, ज्यादा नहीं आता है। एंड ही सेड मेरा भी वही है रे, आई हैव गॉट एन ऑटोमोबाइल असेंबली लाइन, तो एक के पीछे एक कार है एंड दे आर कंज्यूमिंग द स्पेयर पार्ट्स। एक कार बम्पर खाती है, दूसरा कार बम्पर खाती है, तीसरा कार बम्पर खाती है, दैट्स ऑल। सो कैन आई अप्लाई दिस कानबान सिस्टम? And the system was born. It created a revolution in manufacturing. So actually creativity ना बहुत simple है। अपने बैठने के बजाय mix up with other people. This is one very unique feature of the program. So जो networking होता है ना, the networking is with different people.
Yes.
I'll tell you one more thing. If everybody is in construction, एक कीड़ा मन में आता है कि अरे मैं मेरा सीक्रेट बताऊं, उनको भी मालूम पड़ेगा। सो सपोज आई हैव अ गुड प्रैक्टिस, हाँ, मेरा एक स्टूडेंट था, ही हैड अ प्रैक्टिस, ही यूज्ड टू सप्लाई सैंड एंड ये सब एग्रीगेट्स बोलते हैं उसको, हाँ, टू द कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री। सो व्हाइल सप्लाइंग सैंड, ही हैड इंट्रोड्यूस्ड अ न्यू पॉलिसी, क्वालिटी चेक एट सोर्स। तो फ्रॉम द रिवर जहां से सैंड निकल रहा है ना, वहां पे वो क्वालिटी चेक करता है। He had taken a mobile van which goes and does the chemical quality check वगैरह वगैरह। So when it reaches the site for construction, it never gets rejected.
Wow.
Now he is not very keen to tell this to other people in the same business. So if you sit in a class with everybody in the same business, सब लोग चुप रहते हैं, कोई बताता नहीं है।
So true.
Whereas if you mix up, then people are very comfortable. अरे तेरे को बताऊंगा ना, तू क्या करने वाला है? You are in a different business.
So true.
So बहुत अच्छा cross fertilization.
So, sir, typically who comes for, what is the participant profile? What industries they represent?
Okay. They represent a mix of industries.
Okay.
Manufacturing के बहुत लोग आते हैं, because India has fallen behind in manufacturing.
Okay.
And ये China competition एकदम यहाँ तक आ गई है.
But with Make in India, difference will happen. I think a lot of people will get into manufacturing.
Provided they make manufacturing efficient.
Okay.
Today we talk about it, but manufacturing in the SME sector, MSME sector is not much efficient.
Okay.
And if you learn Japanese practices now, you will get efficient.
And which we are experts in. Where your program is very, very popular for.
Very popular.
Manufacturing. Okay.
आत्मनिर्भर करने के लिए ये program ideal है.
Correct.
And we have had cases like, so that is one. We get people from real estate, construction, we get people from trading, we get people from the service sector. We have had hotelers. अरे शेट्टी आ गए हमारे, शेट्टी who are like born hoteliers. And वो पूरा community hoteliers का है, especially in Mumbai. ऐसा. And the kind of people we get is one who already have their business.
Running family businesses or any kind of businesses. Okay.
Any kind of business. Any kind of.
Yeah, actually, this was my question. What is the profile? One is the industry sectors which you mentioned, variety and diversity. Second is who comes for this program? What is the ideal profile and age group? Is it who is the person?
So anybody who is a graduate can come.
Okay, so it's a post-graduation program.
Bus, any graduation.
Yes.
And people come who have their own business or one is people who are joining the family business.
Yes.
Like youngster, लड़का लड़की अभी BA, BSc, BE कुछ हो गया है. चलो, let's do this program and then you get into the business.
Okay.
Second category is those who have their own business, who are their own entrepreneurs.
Okay.
So खुद चालू किया है, थोड़ा सक्सेस आ गया है, आगे क्या करने का? I am already successful and I am only 35. I am only 30. I am only 28. आजकल एज कम आ रहा है सक्सेस का.
Yes.
So 26-year-old says I am an entrepreneur. अभी मेरा चल रहा है, अच्छी तरह से चल रहा है, लेकिन आगे क्या? So they come.
Okay.
Third category is those who want to start business.
Okay.
Idea है दिमाग में, but not sure कैसा करने का.
So startup founders.
Huh?
Startup founders.
Yes,
who at the idea level and now they want to do idea validation, put a
Yes.
prototype, because I remember you have Dr. Kaustub also, who's works from
Yes.
idea to fundraising models. So I see. So people
Ah,
who want to start a program will start a business might come to you. Sir,
correct.
actually, when we are on this topic, I have a very important and a very, very relevant question for you. Keeping in mind the current crisis and what we are reading in newspapers and the news which we are getting all across from corporate India, lot of people are losing jobs. People with experience are losing jobs. People 50 plus are losing jobs. People are not going to have jobs in the near future which are going to be permanent in nature. All jobs are moving towards gig economy. They are moving towards typically project driven work or freelance assignments. So basically now you are moving from an employee into an entrepreneur. Whether you like it or not, you are the boss of your own thing, and alone you cannot do so. You will have to put together a structure. So now with this background, sir, do you have anything to offer to people who are currently in job and now trying to be entrepreneurs? Can your PG program from Wellingker in entrepreneurship help them?
Yeah, this is an 11-month program. Hmm?
Okay.
Huh. And we have cases. A few people had joined, or they are discussing with us. Some of them just take ऐसे ही consultancy ले लेते हैं या friendship पे
Uh-huh.
हो जाता है. It's like even in these MBAs and all, there are a lot
Yeah.
of MBAs passing out of Wellington Institute. हाँ.
Yes.
And even they are finding difficult. Job तो दिया है, but companies are अभी मत आओ. I
Okay.
don't have a
Yes.
salary to give. You come in December, you come in January. And then the student feels कि वो आज जनवरी बोल रहे, जनवरी में बोलेंगे कि और 3 महीना. God knows क्या होने वाला है. हाँ,
True.
yeah, correct. 11 months, 7 days, 7 days every month of classroom and 1 week of mentoring.
Yes. So
दोनों
virtually
है.
it
So
is
2 weeks
a,
of engagement in
yeah,
the institute है.
and then application in
And then
business
application.
under your guidance or the team's guidance. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, but
So
sir,
what is happening is we are
huh?
telling the students कि अरे चालू करो ना अपना, think differently यार, because you're right, all the jobs are ending, everything is becoming gig.
Yes.
So even if you get a job na, how long will it last?
No guarantee. You are an entrepreneur, otherwise you won't last in the company
Yes,
also.
become entrepreneur. If you want, take your job, but side by side कुछ तो चालू करो.
Yes.
It might become a profession. We have a lady here who is in the webinar right now. Her name is Rucha Bindu. हाँ.
Mm-hmm.
And उसका ऐसे ही हो गया. Company said you join in December. 6 महीना बचा है. Some months back. What to do? She started her business. We supported her. I said, I will be your first client. Come, start your
Wow.
business. क्या business? She has some knowledge about content writing and all that sort of stuff. चालू करो. I don't have that. I need it. Huh?
Yes.
I am old. You're young. Let us combine. First class हमारा गाड़ी चलेगा. It's going on.
So true.
I hope she's not hearing this, but I'm afraid that she may not take up the job at all. She
So
might
true.
just continue with the business.
So true.
ऐसा. So we are encouraging. So some people are joining with this idea कि एक हमारा MBA का student था, regular student. He had even paid fees for one trimester. He left that and joined our program. All right, because he said कि वो I will learn only one particular thing. इतना ही सीखेगा मैं. लेकिन मुझे सब कुछ सीखना है because कल का भरोसा नहीं है. ये रहेगा कि नहीं बोल नहीं सकता है.
Yes.
अगर मुझे सब है तो मैं combine करके always I will keep myself alive.
True.
The program cost 7 lakh rupees.
The question was there, I saw.
Correct. I saw the question and that's why I'm answering. We had a guy called Ashok Bhasin, Faridabad mein hai. Huh? He paid 7 lakh. And do you know what was his return on investment? He increased his business by 7 crore
Wow.
per annum.
Wow. But what he applied, sir? What you all taught and what he applied as a
He
case?
applied a technique called SMED. कितने लोग को मालूम है SMED? Business people. How many of you know SMED? SMED can enable you to go get 100 times return, 50 times return.
Wow.
बट ये टेक्निक मालूम नहीं है,
Okay.
एमबीए में भी सिखाते नहीं है. दिस इज स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम जापान.
Okay.
And this is the secret of many things which will give you strong competitive advantage. Yeah.
Okay.
We had another boy, young boy, 21-year-old boy. He's in the t-shirt making business.
Okay.
Mumbai mein. Business meaning trading, pure trading.
Okay.
तो वो तिरुपुर या अपना जालंधर नहीं, हाँ, वहां
Yes.
से
Yes. Mhm.
पटियाला वगैरह वहां से लाता है टी शर्ट्स एंड ही distributes them here. So he came one day. He had passed out. He had become alumnus. But alumnus is always welcome.
Sure.
In fact, some of our students now, when the batch finishes, they say, "Sab, हम लोग आते रहने वाला है till you stop us at the gate." So
Okay.
you have to continue giving us inputs.
Correct.
And as they mature na, like थोड़ा initially नहीं आते हैं 6 months or something, then they mature and they realize अरे ये कुछ बोला था क्लास में अभी याद नहीं है ठीक से, चलो. And we always support them, we give them free classes, extra lectures. करो. Our institute belongs to something called as SP Mandali. SP Mandali stands for Shikshan Prasarak Mandali. Our objective is शिक्षण का प्रसार करने का. So we follow that, and we say, so what if you have passed out? सीखने का है आपको, मैं सिखा सकता हूँ. मैं मतलब any professor, not only me alone. हाँ, तो आओ, take it. You become successful in life, we are more successful.
So true. Absolutely.
So this boy, he had come, and one day he came as an alumnus, and he asked, sir, अभी I want to put up a big warehouse. मेरा दादर में छोटा सा warehouse है, very small. हाँ, तो मैं अभी ये बिजनेस बढ़ रहा है, अच्छा हो रहा है. थैंक यू, आपने क्वालिटी सिखाया, सब चल रहा है. तो कहाँ लगाओ warehouse? And we just gave them little indirect guidance. हाँ, after some time उसको फोन किया, आजकल फोन नहीं किया क्या रे, कहाँ लगाया वेयरहाउस, भिवंडी लगाया क्या, यू आर थिंकिंग वगैरह. He said, साहब, I eliminated the warehouse because we remember you had taught us कि warehouse की क्या जरूरत है, इनकमिंग रेट और आउटगोइंग रेट में फर्क है.
Yes. So there is inventory.
ये warehouse लगता है.
Hmm.
I said, instead of putting money into the warehouse, let me put my brain into matching the incoming and outgoing.
So
तो
true.
जितना जाने वाला है उतना ही मंगाता हूँ,
True.
उतना ही मंगाता हूँ. Actually मेरा warehouse कम हो गया है.
Wow.
And I took a regular student to see there. He said, "Sab, मत आओ, there is nothing to see." I said, मुझे वही दिखाने का है कि there is a warehouse where there is nothing to see.
Wow. Absolutely new way of doing business, you know.
Again, thanks to the Japanese.
True.
माल रखने का क्यों?
So, sir,
सोचो.
because you have been mentioning Japanese techniques, I had two questions on that. What are the top 3-5 techniques in Japanese? Because people are looking to listen to that. And more important, sir, what is this Japanese angle? You take them to Japan, or what is the angle? And second, are these techniques neutral irrespective of the businesses, or it's only for manufacturing? Because many a times we get question, you know, I am into retail, I am into hotel, I am into supply chain, I am into chemicals, I am in jewelry. So how do you manage your 11 months program to customize to my business as an entrepreneur, you know?
Just the last part again, please.
See, I'm sure as you are mentioning and focusing on diversity in the classroom, people from different industries and functions, whereas your program is standardized for 11 months. So how do you customize what I want as a business owner?
All right. See, we break the program into two parts. The first part is we say कि आपको कुछ मालूम नहीं है.
Okay.
I know, you don't know. Listen to me.
Wow.
And start practicing whatever you can, in whichever way you can. The principles are general. They apply everywhere. Yeah. So you start practicing and keep giving us feedback.
Okay.
Once that happens, about 4 months or something, we go on like that usually. And then we say, what is your specific need? in the current class, when we ask this question, for 3 months we said कुछ बोलने का नहीं. You follow what we are telling you. You learn to learn पहले.
Wow.
Don't start by asking questions. पहले absorb करो. Then अंदर ये होने लगा ना mix up. Then you start asking. So they said we need inputs on law, legal matters, and things like that. We arranged lectures like that. Then another thing came, we have to get into new lines of business. तो नया क्या business चालू करने का? How to think of an idea? What is required? So उसके लिए we started arranging faculty. So अपना actually, and all our faculty ना are practitioners.
Okay.
See, I am a professor in Wellington Institute, full-time professor, but I am also in business for the last 25 years.
Exactly.
And I am not going to give the business up. भगवान बुलाएगा तभी business बंद करेगा या client बोलेगा बंद करो तो बंद करेगा. लेकिन कभी client बोलता नहीं है. Client बोलता है और आ जाओ.
Very nice. Okay.
So yeah, so this is the whole thing. So after midway in the course, we start asking ki, what are your specific requirements?
Okay.
If there is an industry specific requirement, we will bring people for that industry specific.
Yeah, Wellington being so big, you have all the access to the best in the country and the world to get into the classroom.
Correct. We have 100 full-time faculty.
Wow.
And totally about 700 full-time plus visiting faculty.
So yeah, resources can be organized, the best of the best.
It can always be organized.
Yes.
Sometimes we say कि ये बहुत specific requirement है, we take it outside the class.
Yes.
Because the rest of the class will get bored if we talk of this. So we'll have a Zoom session specially on this. आजकल Zoom है, पहले physical session था.
So true. So true.
Yeah.
So sir, basically to what you are saying is कि some parts, some cohort is general management as a owner point of view, which could comprise of marketing, sales, finance, all of this, and some will be industry specific, keeping in mind the profile of your participants. Am I right in that, sir?
Yes, correct.
Okay, sure. So that's so it, because normally these questions come, यार academic institution क्या सिखाएगा, उनको क्या business आता है, and मेरा business unique है. Everybody feels मेरा business unique है, that's a national phenomena.
इसके बारे में एक चीज बोलना हो तो साहब,
जरूर सर.
Everybody thinks my business is different.
Yes. And my problems are different.
I'm special. I'm unique. But I ask you a question: are all human beings same or different? You can say different. हर एक का उंगली अलग है. हर एक का चेहरा अलग है. But they are the same. हर एक को दो ही हाथ है, नाक एक ही है, आंख दो ही है. Nobody is born with 2 noses, 3 noses. So if you want to learn, you must first see what is common. All businesses have input. Factory में raw material है, restaurant में customer है. Customer is the input. अंदर आता है. All businesses have processing.
Yes.
All businesses have output. All businesses have supplier. All businesses have customer. So there are many common things. वो सीखने का है.
Okay.
Across the industry, I mean, there are common things. First, you learn that. Okay. Afterwards, you start seeing how things are different. I was consulting a jewelry company, and then उनका एक सगे वाला relative who has a diamond processing, diamond cutting वगैरह in Surat. So we were referred to them कि अरे इसको बुलाओ, useful है, बहुत useful है. And they asked. So I gave examples from jewelry. So the one of the senior managers there said, but diamond is different. उसका jewelry का कोई संबंध नहीं है. Diamond is an input to jewelry. Our business is totally different. I said, अच्छा, in the jewelry business, we told them to reduce inventory. I suppose diamond में inventory नाम का चीज नहीं होता होगा ना? अरे, what do you mean? अच्छा, we told them to reduce the rework and we showed them how to reduce rework. Diamond में तो rework होता ही नहीं है ना? Then they started, there is something common. Wow. I said, your inventory is different. It is a diamond. Uska inventory is different. It is a jewelry. But principle is the same here. You're selling saris. Your inventory is sari.
Yes.
ठीक है, but inventory सबके पास है. सबके पास input है, output है, processing है. या किसी के पास chemical processing है, किसी के पास mechanical processing है, किसी के पास लेकर trader कुछ processing नहीं है. माल खाली स्टोर करने का जब तक कस्टमर आके लेके जाएगा.
Yes.
हाँ. But the, what see intelligence lies in understanding that what is common is what we learn from, and
Correct.
then what is different now, I would say ज़्यादा बोलो मत, because you will lose your speciality.
Okay. True, true. Sir, in fact, today we have one very, very successful business power couple who have been your students also. So I'm going to get Krishna, Harshit, Mittal on the screen. But before that, one question, what is the format of the program? Because I'm seeing a lot of Q&As coming on that direction. And now, when do you start this year? I heard you were going to start in November of this year. And it's
Yes.
going to be initially it's going to be online, and then you move on physical as and when the lockdowns open. So what is the program and how it is going to happen this year, sir?
Yes.
That is one question. Next question, I want to ask you about alumni network, which I'll take later.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So we are going to start in November, and the previous batch is passing out in October. In
Oh,
fact,
wow.
this power couple is from the previous batch.
Okay, okay.
Unfortunately, this batch had 50% of the time physical classes, and then we were forced to have these
Online.
online classes.
Okay.
But we have told them that the day we are permitted to allow students to come physically, we will give you a special invitation, though you are passed out and you are not a
Wow.
student, you are not paying fees, but you will still be welcome. Now
Wow.
come, we will have special classes for you.
Fantastic.
Dr. Salukya, our director, has approved of it. Plus, the new
Fantastic.
batch will start. The format will be that we will have lectures for 7 days or 6 days in a week. Generally, 2 or 3 lectures
In a day.
of 2 hours each.
So
Yeah.
5 to 6 hours every day, 7 days a week. Very
Correct.
nice.
And physical जब ये होता है तभी physically is always better, because you can interact with each other much better than over this thing. Yeah.
Sure.
And second thing is, before you, if you join today, you pay your first installment of fees. That means you're serious.
Yes.
Issue is not the money. Issue is your seriousness.
Absolutely.
We immediately start special pre-work classes for you.
Wow. Yeah, I heard a lot of students are already from February and March. They are a part of your
Yes.
program, which is starting in November.
Yes.
And you all are giving them assignments, right? If I'm
Yes, and they've already started getting the gains. एक student है, he
Wow.
fills gases. He used to fill 1,500 cylinders a day. He's filling 2,000. No investment.
Wow.
No investment. We use some of these
Wow.
Japanese techniques that we talk about.
Wow. Wow.
So once you come for this 1 week, then you go back to your hometown, to your industry, and
Wow.
you start applying things. Call us on the phone. Third week में तो एक घंटा phone call चलता है हर एक जन के साथ. Sometimes twice, thrice in a week.
Wow.
Fourth week again implement. You're back to the cycle starts again.
Sure.
Yes.
Sir,
This is the
so
format.
perfect. So those who are interested to really scale up their business and bring really a direction to their vision and the business, the batches are starting in November. The admission process is already on. We have your details. We will share the program details because people are on Facebook also asking about the program details, when to start. So we will share that. We'll keep that for later. So you will have all the information. There is a thorough process of selection, because we also want to check, one, as sir said, your seriousness, and second, whether we can add value to your business and whether you are really going to benefit, because this 7 lakh for a business owner is like a 50,000 rupee investment a month, and you are getting inputs on marketing, finance, leadership, digital transformation, which is like how expensive it is otherwise, and from the best people. So the seriousness from both sides to grow together is equally important. That's what I understand from what Dr. G is saying. Otherwise, we also are not keen to invest time and effort as a big brand and faculty with you if you don't want to grow in life. So am I right on that, Dr. G? Because I understand you all have a very extended relationship. So it brings me to your question on my question to you on the alumni network. How do you support the alumni, or after 11 months, what happens?
We invite another thing, join this year itself. Don't wait for next year.
That's very important, that. But the alumni thing you cover, then I have a very important question to ask you also, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So So there was one lady last year who had come. She's related to the plastics business.
Okay.
And she said, no, I'm not going to join now. I'm not going to join. Full stop. She inquired around, sir, and this year she has joined.
Okay. Okay.
So, and she told, कि I lost 1 year.
So true.
1 year में मुझे benefit already मिलता था. I would have already recovered all the money. I would be going further ahead.
Sure.
See, if you have a narrow mentality, 7 lakh is a big amount.
For a
If
business,
you
it's
have a
not a big
broad
amount.
vision, 7 lakh is a very small amount.
And an investment in your own
It's
business.
an investment. Correct. And it's an investment where returns are coming forever. Education is different from putting money in a bank. Fixed deposit में डाला या म्यूचुअल फंड में डाला, मत डालो अभी म्यूचुअल फंड में, बट अगर डालेगा तो रिटर्न आता है. This is a return which will come forever. And the return will grow, will change according to the changing circumstances. So what we do with the alumni is we call them, we invite them for alumni sessions. We have get-togethers also. So वो get-together में क्या होता है? Sometimes we are able to mix from different batches.
Yes.
So your networking opportunities increase.
So true.
Yeah, go beyond what you have.
True. So true. And this is for lifetime, basically. This continues
It's a lifetime. Absolutely.
Continues to be there.
It's a
Very
lifetime.
nice. Also, sir, I wanted to know, since this program used to happen 7 days a week, 7 days a month in Mumbai campus. So do you get students from across India, or what is the concentration? Where are these guys coming from?
We get students from anywhere in the country.
Okay.
We have had students from Chandigarh who flew down every month.
Wow.
We have a student from Chennai who comes down, students from Calcutta. Yeah,
wow.
Students from all over the place, small town, big town, kahin se bhi aate hain. Plus, of course, Mumbai, Pune,
because we are
Nashik,
here,
which are the nearby areas.
Very nice. So it's a diverse program.
Yes,
and
and
sir, you
Mumbai,
have been
for these outside. Sorry, for these outside town, Mumbai offers a special advantage.
Yes, absolutely.
Because it's got Mumbai is the city of opportunity here.
Absolutely.
तो ये एक जन दिग्विजय करके है. He came from Assam every month, and then उसने क्लास में दोस्ती वोस्ती बनाया, and finally he got a contract with the government of Maharashtra to supply all over Maharashtra.
Fantastic. So that's the power of networking in a big business school like Wellinger, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm going to get on the screen, the Mittal family, okay, who have been very, very passionate about your program, and then they have been really seeing the results. So, yeah. Krishna, you are there? Harshit? So they will be joining us in a while, sir.
You can switch on your video, Krishna.
Yes.
And Anshu. Yeah, beautiful.
Yes. Hi, welcome Krishna and Anshu.
Hello,
thank
sir.
You for having us.
Thank you for having us.
Very good. So we thought, we should speak to you, understand what y'all are, how the COVID times are treating you, and what have been your learnings. And I also know y'all are from a different age group, and what made y'all come in a academic program, so I thought, let me just invite you and see how, and maybe tell our friends here what is happening.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Just introduce yourself. Where are you from? Which industry you all represent?
So my name is Anshu Mittal, and this is my wife Krishna Mittal. We are working with Parveen Industries for the past 5 years.
Okay.
Parveen, we are a leading manufacturer of oil field equipments.
Okay.
Parveen has been operational for the past 55 years.
It's a family business?
It's a family business.
We are the third generation.
Third generation. Fantastic.
Yeah.
And what are your roles? What you both do in the business? What is your role? Because I'm sure it's a family business, so family is also involved.
Yes. So everybody is involved in the family. Okay. I am mostly, before joining the course, I was handling the inventory completely and the purchases. But once I joined the course and got a knowledge of operations, now I'm doing amazing things in the operations and improving the operations like multiples. We are improving and having a good production. And Anshu is handling the marketing.
I'm handling the digital marketing
Wow.
aspect, yeah, of the company.
But then in the program with Dr. G and with Wellinger, what is that few things were, different which you learned, which you could apply in the program in your own businesses?
If I will tell you frankly, everything what Dr. G taught us, what other professors taught us, we could apply everything
Every
in the business, and we are applying everything in the business. First, when the COVID started, we thought that we
again,
will
yeah.
again have a problem. We have a on-time delivery issues. We have the cost issues, but we took it as an opportunity and started implementing the small things what Dr. G taught us in the class.
Okay.
And by implementing those small techniques, we had like have the benefits of multiple percentage, like double the production we are getting now.
Wow.
First, like I never used to go to the shop floor, game bar.
Okay.
But then after meeting Dr. G, and then I came to know the importance of going to the shop floor, and I learned a lot of things while being on the shop floor itself.
So in spite of being in marketing and sales and digital,
Yes.
you were able to, understand what's happening in the production.
In
Yes.
fact, I should say that I understood even better. Like after going to the shop floor, I understood I understood the real scenario actually.
But with such a big family business, three generations, different levels of seniors in the business, uncles and their children, some family business may typically in Marwadi families, how it is. How did they allow you to invest money in education, and what made you think that at this age you should go and study, leaving the business?
So we
7 days is a big time every week.
Yeah, we always had a problem of on-time deliveries and the high cost factor due to the competition in the market, and the industry is on the decline phase. We used to have many consultants in the industry, but never got such kind of profits what we are getting. So once we visited V School by any chance, and we got Dr. G. And the day we met Dr. G in that cabin, small cabin, we decided we are going to get trained under him. We want to join this course. And here after this course, we are and doing amazing things in the uh, business.
Very nice, very nice. But then, you did you find any resistance from family members कि अरे छोड़ो यार theory क्या पढ़ाएंगे ये लोग academicians? So you
Surprisingly, actually,
No.
Dad was more supportive of it. Actually,
Yeah, and he's
Wow.
always been supportive.
He's always been supportive.
Whatever you are learning, do try it. We even discussed at home after coming from the classes, after coming from the college.
Wow.
Whatever we are getting knowledge from there, we even shared with him. So his perspectives also got changed. Now he also talks about lean. He also talks about in that language only, and he's like,
Wow.
I was 50 years behind what the other dunya is doing, so now I want to be on that
Wow.
level what other people, what industry is actually running at. So he's always been
Fantastic.
supportive to us.
Very nice. Just a question to you, Dr. G. Is there some interaction opportunity? You have the participants, I understand, but is there an interaction opportunity with senior members from the family business in the program? Because their buy-in is important, student may come.
I had put up my finger to explain that only.
Wow.
The Krishna and Anshu, they had their daddy, that is, they call him daddy. He's like the father. He got so interested that he started attending my programs.
Wow.
And
Wow.
directly sometimes discussing with me also.
Fantastic.
So, yeah, we have had this kind of situations. So family members are welcome. And we in fact tell them ki when you go back, no, please talk to your parents, talk to your whatever. First day they will not, they will say, hey, kya hai? Ye sab theory hai. You go there, you go to the workplace, jo bhi industry hoga aapka, and use the techniques we teach, makes, as you know, Krishna said, small improvement, changes. But if you make a good small change, you can get a big improvement. It is possible. The moment the parents see that, they say, अरे ये तो कुछ अलग बात है यार,
Wow.
ये अपने को भी सीखना पड़ेगा.
Wow.
And then everybody gets into the learning mode. After that, there are no family disputes, no succession planning. वो सब चला जाता है. Many institutes have a subject called as family disputes.
Yes.
अपने आप family dispute eliminate हो जाता है.
Because the process takes care. Process
Process
is
takes care.
taking care. And visibly they are seeing some significant changes. So the process is respected and it moves. That's why I assume.
And this couple sitting in front of you increase the output by 50%
Wow.
simply by making small changes.
Wow.
Thanks to
And
you.
now they phoned me last week. They're not
Uh-huh.
telling you because you know ये सब लोग अपना success बताते नहीं है, दूसरे
No,
लोग
I
के हाथ में
can't
जलेगी.
Wow.
But they phoned me and said कि sir, you know, normally पूरे महीने का production महीने में नहीं होता है. It spills over to the next month. This time we had finished on 25th September. अभी क्या
Wow.
करने का 5 दिन का idle capacity है. अभी
Wow.
चलो, we have to forget production and we have to now start learning marketing.
Wow.
Marketing का book बताओ. And that's why Anshu is telling I am in digital marketing.
क्या बात है, very nice. And I'm sure it for business owners like them, it opens their mind also to new possibilities, right?
Yeah.
But do you have a structured way to work on the mind of entrepreneurs, sir? Because one big lacuna which I see with business owners is on communication, leadership, public speaking, you know, expressing ideas within the family and clients. So is there some softer elements taught in your program?
Yeah, what we do is we say that the best language, number one language should be your results. And the moment you start getting results, your whole motivation will come in. Normally people think ulta. पहले motivation, go listen to a motivation speaker, वो हाँ वो बोलेगा चलो जिंदाबाद करेंगे. No, पहला जाके छोटा चीज करो, अच्छा रिजल्ट आएगा ना, खुद का मोटिवेशन आ जाएगा. And you will be interested. और क्या, और क्या, और क्या. So many times, you know, there are these speakers who give individual coaching and all. A lot of it is, it's all very useful. It's all very useful. It starts with motivation, but technically we go into the technicalities of the improvement in that particular business. And you will do it. I'm not going to advise you, because if I tell you, then you are dependent on me for life. This is a trick which is used to keep you dependent and मेरा consultancy का पैसा आता रहेगा. We don't do that. We are in education, शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडली. So we say कि you do it. I am standing behind you like swimming. You know, after you learn the theory, you jump in. But you have to try yourself. हाथ पैर खुद क्या हटाना पड़ेगा. Trainer will be there so that you don't sink. So we will be there, but you have to do it. And the moment you learn, उल्टा हो जाता है. You know, Toyota का एक saying है, योई शिना योई कांगाई, which means good product, good thinking. Westerners don't understand it. MBS don't understand. They say, Dr. Ji, you read it wrong. It should be good thinking, good products. But no, पहले thinking नहीं आता है. पहले हाथ से काम करो. Actually कुछ करो, thinking change होता है. All mothers know this. They change their child's behavior by making the child do it. They don't discuss with the child. They say रोज सुबह ब्रश करने का. हाँ, करने का मतलब करने का. आजकल के चिल्ड्रन बहुत स्मार्ट हैं. वो बोलते हैं लायन और टाइगर ब्रश करते हैं क्या? उनके दांत तो तगड़े होते हैं. हाँ, वो बट मदर से चुप बैठ, अभी पहले दांत साफ कर. Once that becomes a habit, your thinking changes. I challenge anybody in the audience. Tomorrow morning, don't brush your teeth. Day after tomorrow, don't brush your teeth. Brush after breakfast. करके देखो, 2 दिन कर पाएंगे, तीसरा दिन आ जाएगा automatically.
So it's by learning by doing, basically.
Yes, sir.
Learning, but it's an application-oriented program,
Yes,
practical.
sir. Yes,
I
sir.
see.
And that's unique about it.
So
Most programs end with business model or business plan. कि अभी हमारा 1 करोड़ का धंधा है, 100 करोड़ कैसा बनाएगा. That is showing the moon. We say नहीं 1 करोड़ 10 लाख कैसा बनाएगा, लेकिन आज
very
आज
important.
एक बार समझ गया ना कैसा करने का, वो 1,50,000 करोड़ होता है.
स्केल हो जाता है.
2 crore होता है. हाँ, and then say you 50 lakh होता है, and then you once you get rolling ना, then you say बस अभी कुछ
Yes.
बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, हम लोग हो जाएंगे.
There is a saying, nothing succeeds like success.
Yes, 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 yes.
So true, so true. So,
Yes.
sir, just one question which we also get many a times, कि there are a lot of this, motivation speaker, trainers, workshop, YouTubers, ये बहुत होता है, बड़ा business, छोटा business, there are trainers, family business coaches. How is your program at Wellington Institute of Management different from this, this big fad of YouTube and all? Learning wise, and maybe sir can explain, Krishna and Anshu also can explain, but sir, what is it different? Why will anybody go for a structured 11-month program जब मुझे instantly कुछ ऐसा ही मिल जाता है online?
That
Go
proper
ahead, go ahead.
structured way of going to the college for 7 days, learning there, and then implementing, and then getting the mentoring calls from sir and ma'am, and explaining them the problems and getting resolved those issues in the next week.
environment.
The environment वहाँ पे is helping us a lot. So
Okay.
in the online, the YouTubers and everybody, they cannot guide us in a way what our mental states are, in what direction we are going. So we cannot do that mentoring calls on that. So that is very important part.
Sir, you would like to add something? How is this different and doing this?
One more difference. Huh? See, all that is good. YouTubers and all that is good, because anyway to start, कहीं से भी start करो साहेब, लेकिन करो.
Start
That I
करो.
fully agree. Huh?
Mhm.
But this structured program of 11 months will give you the entire package.
Understand.
Secondly, it is practical. Somebody has put up a question कि new education policy में practicals पे बहुत जोर देने वाले हैं. That's very good. Thirdly, another special thing about us is we go to Japan. Every year we go to Japan. It's a guided tour. I say फेंकते नहीं है. Usually I go myself. I have been 43 times to Japan. Okay.
What happens there, sir? क्या करते हैं मतलब? What
It is a very
happens?
unique country, because
Okay.
the way, see, it is not only technology. Of course, Japan is the highest technology in the world, but today you can buy technology. India is going to have this Shinkansen bullet train also shortly. Technology can be purchased, but the way the humans interact with technology now is something unique.
Wow.
It is very difficult to explain.
Yes.
But once you get that experience, your whole way of looking at business changes.
Wow. Wow.
So we take them not only to companies. I tell you, just Japan Railway से आप घूमेंगे ना, and we give them a Japan Rail Pass. Go alone, interact with Japanese people, experience, and the Japanese people are very, 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 very nice people. They'll not insult you. They'll not treat you like, hey, अंदर खरीदने वाला है क्या बोलो? Which you hear in many shops in Dubai, Hong Kong, and all that. In Europe and all, you'll hear that. नहीं, they will प्यार से दिखाएंगे. They know very well तो नहीं खरीदने वाला है. But you go out with such a positive frame of mind, by not buying also.
Okay. Okay.
ऐसा. So you learn so many different things. We visit Toyota, we visit Yamaha, we visit a brewery, Asahi Brewery. It's a special beer.
Okay.
Very different kind of beer. And Asahi Brewery does 100% recycle. Since I've been going for many years now, I have seen them saying we have got 30% recycle, 40%, 60%. Our target is 80%. Our target is 90%. Last year when I went, we are doing 100% recycle.
Wow.
There is no landfill from what we do,
Wow.
what we make.
Wow.
So these are all very unique features that you get to see.
And I'm sure this kind of exposure gives the confidence to do smaller things in our own business.
Absolutely right. This year's batch, we could not go because of the sudden, in fact, we cancelled it just one day before the lockdown came.
Okay.
Had we not cancelled it, we would have lost the money.
Wow. So they may probably come next year with the next batch or at the frequent
Yes,
time.
they will. वो लोग मुझे दम दिया है कि just because we pass out doesn't mean we are not coming to Japan. Look at them smiling and laughing. I have been threatened कि Japan तो होगा ही होगा. Yes, by all means होगा.
Sir,
Certainly.
one important question before we conclude, and sir, the current economy is about UI, UX, interfaces, technology, digital transformation, disruptives. So these are terms which are impacting even MSMEs and SMEs and mid-sized companies, and that is creating a lot of kiosk. So does this program support those kind of mindsets?
See, a lot of this now is, it's like for the sake of its doing. And a
Okay,
lot of business happens for its own. You must get your fundamentals right.
okay,
हाँ. नहीं तो क्या होता है ना, you will spend a lot of money in automation, machine
Ex-
learning,
AL,
digitalization, all that, when your fundamental is wrong. Example देता हूँ. अभी now that fellow Mir Satra, whom I was talking about, warehouses. So he would have gone into, चलो automation करने का है, warehouse को automate करेंगे, we will put new technology, and we will the barcode, QR code वगैरह सब करेंगे. That's all excellent. Good. He would have spent a lot of money. He'll get benefits also. But he missed a fundamental question. Do I need a warehouse at all?
fantastic.
And
Yes.
then wo paisa jo bachega na, you now automate something else, spend it in your digital marketing in a different way. Yeah. Pick
Oh,
up new things. Don't just blindly do.
okay.
Yeah. So
So,
fundamentals is what get cleared in our institute
okay.
first. And we
हाँ,
say there is a sequence to it. Don't just jump into अभी क्या चल रहा है, latest fad क्या है, हाँ चलो उसके पीछे लग जाओ. मजा आता है, but that is like eating masala.
हाँ,
It's very good, you should eat masala. I like to eat masala, but not only masala.
okay. Okay.
Basic food चाहिए, protein, carbohydrate, fat,
Okay.
and
And
then
the
you put masala. हाँ.
so the fundamentals and basics of business are not going to change
Yes.
irrespective of whatever digital transformation or disruption that will happen.
Correct. Correct.
Principles will remain the same, you mean to say.
Correct. Fundamentals will remain the same. The digital transformations will help you. No doubt about it. अभी banking का ले लो. Now it is a great benefit that I can sit at home and do banking. और जैसे बुढ़ा जाता होते जा रहा हूँ, I am feeling more and more comfortable कि घर बैठ के सब banking मेरा हो जाएगा. हाँ? I removed all my money from the stock market when it began to crash, sitting in my cabin with two students because मुझे उतना नहीं आता है टेक्नोलॉजी. The two youngsters. अपना रूल एक सिंपल है, जिसको आता है वो गुरु, जिसको नहीं आता है वो चेला. So all these two youngsters sitting in front of me now, they are my guru. When it comes to Instagram में करने का है, banking करने का है, ये करने का है, तो बैठो मैं मेरे सामने करो. That way, and it is a great benefit. Yes, but have the fundamentals changed? What is a bank doing?
Same.
It is doing exactly what it was doing before.
Yes.
Yeah, abhi bhi, it is allowing money to come in, allowing money to go out, allowing money to be invested, allowing returns to come, and so on. Exactly what it was doing before.
Mm.
But now there is a great convenience that has come in. The convenience does not substitute the basic activity.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Basic activity has not changed.
So
You
true.
cannot send out more money than what you have. I mean, you can, but overdraft का interest लगाएगा वो लोग. जबरदस्त
Understand.
interest लगाएगा.
Understand.
वो पहले भी लगाता था. Only thing पहले मुझे बैंक में जाके चेक देना पड़ता था. अभी इधर टक 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 का कंप्यूटर पे करके हो
Sure.
जाता है.
Sure.
But fundamentals have not changed.
And that is what we focus upon in the program.
हाँ, you see all your financial, देखिए क्या क्या होता है, but you see all the financial report. Repo rate still same concept. Huh? Your whatever interest rates still same concept. All the concepts are still the same.
Sure.
But facilitation has become very great. Income tax is also the same. Yeah.
So
The
true.
only thing is now अभी मालूम पड़ता है कितना घर बैठ के
Understood.
TDS आता है. पहले जाके सर्टिफिकेट लेना पड़ता था. Yes, yes.
Yeah, Krishna, please.
I would like to add something. Like before, we used to do always the traditional way of working. We had a procedure of departmental style working, and then we learned the process of cellular layouts and we did not
Wow.
change anything, but we divided our products into the product categories, and then we are planning. So last month, the what sir is saying on 25th, I actually called sir and told him that, sir, this time we are totally going on time, 90 to 90% on time, from
Wow.
40% to 90 to 95% in 1 month is like
Wow.
amazing. And after that, today I was looking at the machine planning data, which we never used to do it before, but this time we started it. And in the October month's planning, I saw that my 40% machines are empty. We always used to pay heavy on time salaries to the workers. With that only target, whatever we had the target, this time also we have that same target. And this time I am looking at the Excel sheet which I prepared according to the cellular layout working, and my 40% of the machines are empty, and I was telling papa that I need more work over there.
Wow.
My machines are empty. So the small things, visiting Gemba, small techniques, what sir and everybody taught us in the first month only is helping us a lot.
Very nice. So basically, you are able to diagnose and understand your own business better. You are trying to say that
Yes.
because 50 years anyway, you are doing business.
Yes, but that way of doing business was traditional way of doing business. Now we are implementing lean techniques,
Ah,
small lean techniques, and improving the things.
fantastic. Fantastic. Sir, any concluding remarks from you?
Yes, I have the match.
Uh-huh.
You got the paper, we put it together, we can light a fire.
So true.
But my sitting here with a match is no use. You sitting here and both of us having big discussion is no
Absolutely.
use. कितना भी डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. एक बार अपन लोग साथ में आ जाएंगे ना,
Absolutely. Collaboration is the key. So true.
जला डालेंगे सारी दुनिया को.
True, true, true. Fantastic. So, sir, thank you very, very much for this very friendly, easy to understand 1 hour, actually 1.5 hours with you. Thanks a lot, Krishna and Anshu, to be a part of this discussion.
Thank
And to
you,
the audiences,
Dr. G, and thank you,
thank you.
Samir sir, for
Thank
this
you very
wonderful
much.
opportunity.
So people who have been really not many people have left for last 1.5 hours, sir. So that talks about the very simply how to explain very difficult concepts like till the time Krishna did not mention a concept of cellular layouts, Dr. G never used a single jargon before that. And yeah, so that's the level of evolved people are like this. They make things simple. So thanks a lot, Dr. G. And for people who are hearing us or looking at this program, feel free to get connected with our teams. You go on the wellinker.org website. You have our email IDs and phone numbers. This is the opportunity, friends. You cannot wait कि COVID खत्म हो जाएगा. Then next year I will do. This is the time to do because you have little more time on hand. So when you learn these things, till the time the markets improve, you are ready and with a better understanding of how to grow businesses. So with this, thanks a lot. Thank you very much from the Wellinker Institute of Management, Entrepreneurship Management team, and see you soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.